Hello, this is Brown Sugar. Today is a splitting and coloring tutorial. Draw a draft. Turn on the copy desk switch. The copy desk starts to glow. Take out the white paper and cover it. The line at the bottom is photographed, so it can be split. Brown Sugar draws this time the archer in the fifth personality. It doesn't matter if there is no copy desk. It's still the same when we go to the window. Cover the draft with a blank sheet of paper. You can trace each part. The split line draft is as long as this. And then paint. Start with dark blush and nose. Also draw a shadow under the mouth, then the shadow of the hair and blindfold. The specific color can be seen in the upper right corner. Change to a lighter complexion and spread the blush. Apply the blanks with the lightest skin tone. Re-accentuate the shadows. The face is painted. Give your hair a reddish-brown base color. Partial white space can be left. Color orange in the space you just left. Rich layers. Finally, brush on the yellow base color and paint it. Change the dark pen and apply shadows along the seams. The range should not exceed the reddish-brown painted at the beginning. Change to a deeper pen and apply it to the shadow just now. The range should not exceed the shadow just now. Change the deepest pen and apply a little bit. Anyway, the darker the color, the less you apply. So here I just trace the outline. The darkest color in the barrel, the shade of the blindfold. Use a lighter color transition. The lightest base color is painted in the blank. Highlight pen decoration. Finally, apply the hairline. Not much to say about hair. We come to the eye. The pencil draws the position of the highlight. Dark color draws pupils. Lighter intermediate colors for transition. The lightest color covers the rest. The eyes are also drawn. Finally, let's talk about how to apply the clothes. Draw shadows first. The brown sugar is a dark circle around the outline of the clothes. As a shadow, lighter intermediate colors for overuse. The lightest base color is painted in the blank. Silver highlight pen decoration. I paint roughly these 3 steps. Dark painting shadow. Mesochromatic transition. The lightest base color is painted in the blank. The hair applied this time looks more complicated, because there is a gradual change of red and orange. Brown sugar before doing the tutorial. I painted the color in advance to see the effect. Mainly I want to tell the babies, coloring is about being bold and trying. Brown sugar is not professional. If there is anything wrong or drawn wrong, please bear with me, babies. After painting the color, you can hug the edge again. Okay, here's brown sugar. Today is the joint connection tutorial. Take out the hole punch first. Punch holes quickly. These places need to be punched. Take out the remaining plastic wrap or Dutch white card. Cut out a lot of small squares. Hit the drum with a hole punch. Let's start assembling. You need to use spikes here. The spikes go through the perforated calf. Go through the cube. 2 feet that separate the spikes. The cubes are very loose at this time. You need to press it with a pen. The resulting joints are tighter. After pressing here, the small square will not be turned casually. Same as just now. Put on all the other parts, corner spikes and cubes. The articulation process is particularly detailed this time. I hope every baby can learn. Here's the arm. Same thing. Take out a toothpick or cotton swab. Put glue on the squares. 2 feet with 2 nails. You can also apply a little glue on it. Turn the cube. Make sure the cube doesn't stick to the calf. Glue the side to the calf. Press it harder. The movable joint is done. Same thing. Attach the other leg. Remember to compare the lengths of the following two legs. It's about the same. Continue to connect the two arms as well. The brown sugar here is also compared with the lengths. I found that I did a good symmetry. Now ready to connect the limbs to the body. Apply glue to the small squares. Glue the body and legs together. Press firmly. It moves silky. The following approach is the same. We quickly glue the rest on. After each time it is glued, check if the joints can move. And then blink. Use a pencil to determine the position of the blink track. Cut out a few long strips with a Dutch white card. Each box is a group. Glue the two strips of each group overlapping along the pencil. Good mark. Glue the strip on. The blink track is done. Use a pencil to draw a long strip between the eyes. Take a penknife and pull it off. Cut a section of plastic sealing film. Grips for eyelids. Fold into an M shape like this. Show it up close. Apply glue. Press hard, and there you go. Put your hand in the gap. Apply glue. Sticky eyelids. The eyelids can just get stuck into the track. Press hard. The reverse side looks like this. Blink track is ready. Test it. Very silky. Take out the spikes. Through the back of the skull. Through the neck. Through the cube. Open the 2 feet of the spikes. The joints on this side of the neck are also done. Finally, apply glue. Aim for the eyes and stick to the face. Blink smoothly. The brown sugar melted the bow and arrow. Going to make it removable with magnets. Apply glue to the magnet. Stick to the back of the paper man. Take out another magnet. Apply glue. Glue the bow and arrow. Press firmly. Magnets work really well. Can increase playability. Finally, the finished product is displayed. Every joint is movable. That's all for today's sharing. Baby, have you learned?